Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will talk about USPs of Eastman batteries. Why to purchase Eastman lithium batteries. Purchasing Eastman batteries offers a significant advantage of longer lifespan, higher efficiency, road compatibility, fast charging and zero maintenance. Key reasons to consider Eastman lithium batteries. Longer lifespan. Eastman batteries typically provide 6,000 to 8,000 cycles, providing dependable power up to 8 to 10 years, depending upon the depth of discharge, operating temperature and C rate, that is charging and discharging ampere. High efficiency and more usable energy. Eastman offers efficiency more than 95% along with a long power backup in comparison with all leading brands in the global market. Fast charging time. Eastman batteries offer fast charging, which helps the batteries to charge within 2 to 3 hours, reducing the downtime significantly. Zero maintenance. Eastman batteries are virtually maintenance free as they eliminate the need of equalization charge, as all the units are having inbuilt BMS, integrated safety and management system. Every unit is equipped with a sophisticated inbuilt battery management system that monitors critical parameters like voltage, current and temperature to prevent overcharging, overheat and short circuit, enhancing battery safety and longevity. Eastman offers versatile and compatible design. All the units are designed for broad compatibility and can seamlessly integrate with various inverters for both residential and commercial applications. Eastman batteries are compatible with maximum leading running brands of inverters in the global market, equipped with communication options such as RS485, CAN and RS232. Eastman batteries offers a parallel connections up to 15 numbers, enable flexible capacity expansion to meet the evolving user needs. Batteries are designed to perform anywhere. The system operates reliably across a temperature range up to -10 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius and a humidity up to 10% to 95%. Eastman batteries are user-friendly and eco-friendly. The system features a user-friendly touchscreen graphical interface along with a multiple configuration options to support diverse usage scenarios. Also, they are built with LiFePO4 lithium iron phosphate chemistry, known for stability and safety, and generate no harmful fumes, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable energy solution. Eastman uses A-grade cells. These cells offers high performance, longevity, consistency and safety because they are new and met best performance and safety metrics. Eastman batteries having higher energy density, delivering high strength, durability and a premium appearance, that is more power in a smaller, lighter package, making installation easier and saving valuable space in homes or commercial setups. Eastman batteries offer a 5-year standard warranty, ensuring a smooth claim process supported by transparent and well-defined instructions. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman